Hello students, today we are going to discuss about database basics, which is an important topic in the subject database management system. This topic helps us understand how data is stored, managed and accessed efficiently in computer system. Let us discuss about what is database. Students, first we discuss what is database. A database is a place where we can store related information in an organized manner on a computer. A database is an organized collection of data that is typically stored electronically in a computer system. For example, we store data and we can easily access, update and manage it using computer system. It is a database. Some examples of database is student details, employee records, bank account information. So, in simple words, a database is an organized collection of data stored in a computer. Now, let us understand the difference between data and information. Data means raw facts. It has no meaning by itself. Example, it includes some numbers, some values that have no meaning. Now, we talk about information. Information is a processed data. When data is organized and given meaning, it becomes the information. Now, you can see the marks is a example of data and result is a information of the example of information. Now, what is DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. A DBMS is a software that helps us create database, store data, modify data, retrieve data, protect data. Examples of DBMS is MySQL, Oracle, MS Access. DBMS act as a bridge between user and the database. So it allows user to create, modify and query a database as well as manage the security and access control for that database. Let us discuss the main functions of DBMS. First function is there are some functions we discuss. First function is data storage. DBMS stores a large amount of data in an organized form using tables, rows and columns, so it can be saved safely for the future use. Next function is data retrieval. DBMS allows user to search and get required data easily using queries. For example, finding details of particular student. Next function is data update. DBMS helps to insert new data, update existing data and delete unwanted data easily. Next function is data security. It is a main function of database because it provides some security like password, user permission and roles of the particular person. Next function is backup and recovery. DBMS creates backup copies of data and helps restore data in case of system failure, power failure, and errors. The advantages of DBMS are reduce data redundancy, means it's deny duplicate data and it gives data redundancy. Next advantages of DBMS is improve data consistency, provide better data security, and it allow data sharing among multiple users. The next one is application of DBMS. DBMS is used in many real life applications such as where we can store large amount of data and information, like banking system. In banking system we can store bank details of many users, like bank account number, bank holder number, address, phone number, etc. Next exam application is college management system. As we know, in college management system we can store teachers data, students data, and uh, various departments store various information. Hospital management system. In hospital management system we can store patient data, doctor data, and various data that is helpful in hospital. Next one is e-commerce websites. Thank you.